That looks like a pizza to me. On bread, grilled. Welcome back to Cook It Simple with Eric. Today is a milestone, for me anyway. This is episode 20 that I've produced in the past, 2.5 months, I think. So everybody who has subscribed, thank you very much. Everybody who's viewed my videos, thank you very much. If you haven't yet, please like and subscribe. I'd appreciate that. So without further ado, let's get started on what we're making today. So today we're making a grilled cheese pizza sandwich. I'm sure a lot of you have heard of it. So, but we're going to do it the simple way. With the griddle, we're going to do some pizza blend cheese, shredded. We're going to do some pepperonis, black olives because I like black olives, and some simple pizza sauce, and a couple nice pieces of white sourdough bread that we're going to make our grilled cheese pizza sandwich with. So let's get started. So as you all have seen in my past couple videos that I've used the griddle with turkey sandwiches and grilled cheese sandwich, I like to toast the inside first. Now with this, I'm not putting anything on it yet. You'll see that here in just a second, what I'm going to do. But right now I just want to toast the inside of the bread. Now that we have the inside of our bread nicely toasted, let's go ahead and put our fat on the outside of the bread, the side that's going to be touching the griddle. Now you can use mayonnaise here, you can use butter here, you can use whatever type of fat you want on it. I am going to use mayonnaise. So if you've watched my previous videos, you know on grilled cheese and grilled turkey and such sandwiches, I do like to use the mayonnaise. Gives it just a little twang. And I put it on a cutting board because it is going to get a little bit messy, because I'm putting the mayonnaise side down. Alright, so the first thing we want to do is we want to start out with a layer of pizza sauce on our toasted side, which I like to toast it because the sauce lays on it better. It doesn't quite soak into the bread so quickly. So let's go ahead and put a nice little layer. You don't have to go super heavy at this point, because on this one over here, we are going to put another layer of pizza sauce before we put it on top. So we're going to have sauce top and bottom. Alright, now that we have our sauce on, let's go ahead, and I like to put the black olives on at this point. That way it lays underneath the pepperoni and cheese and it just stays on better. Plus kind of soaks into the pizza sauce. Now here you can use diced onion, diced green pepper, jalapenos, anything you want to put on here, any vegetable, any meat, whatever. So we'll just put that on there for now. And then right now, I'll go ahead and I'll put the layer of cheese on it. So we're going to actually have 2 layers of cheese, but we're going to do this layer here first. I'm using the grated pizza blend here, which is still, for what we're doing, it melts up nicely. Tastes really good. Alright, so let's go ahead and add our pepperonis. And me, I love pepperonis. I think pepperoni makes the pizza. So if you like a cheese pizza, just don't add pepperoni. Or you can add sausage, or any pizza topping you like, you can put on top of this. So we'll go ahead and put those on there, the pepperoni. Now at this point, I'm going to add another layer of cheese, because we do like our cheese in this family. There we go. We'll just put the rest of it on there a little bit. So now at this point, this is where that extra layer of sauce is going to come into play. So we're just going to layer it up a little bit here. Now this sandwich would be really good on a Blackstone griddle, but with the Ohio weather and my schedule, I have not been able to get out to the griddle to get it done. So I promise you, in here in a few weeks, we'll get something going on the Blackstone so everybody can have an idea what it is and how to use it and what great food it makes, especially sandwiches like this. So okay, so now I've got that. There you go. This sandwich is ready to be put on the griddle. Let's go ahead and get this on the griddle. Like I said, I got my griddle preheated at 400, which is as high as it'll go. Should hear the nice sizzle. The mayonnaise. Now this will take, well, basically as long as it takes. You just want to cook one side a little bit. Once you start getting your nice toasted crust on there, then you want to flip it over. And you want to continue to do this until we're all melty on both sides. We'll check back in about halfway, see what it's looking like, and see if we can actually flip this without making a huge mess. It's been probably about 2, maybe 3 minutes. So it feels like we're probably about there. So let's try to flip this thing and see what the other side looks like. That is sweet. All right, let's do the same thing. Let it go. Couple 3 minutes, we'll flip it. Couple 3 minutes, flip it. We'll try to keep this consistency of the toasting on it until our cheese and sauce and stuff is all melty and hot. And then we get to eat this baby. It's time to put this beauty on a plate, slice it diagonal, and taste it. Now that we've produced this beautiful sandwich, let's taste it. The bread, nicely, very nicely toasted. That looks like a pizza to me, on bread, grilled. Now's what I've been waiting for, and hopefully you all. This is beauty. Cheese melted, crust is perfect. It's got black olives, you know I love them. Pepperoni look perfect, so let's try it. That is good. I love pizza, and hands down, this is pretty darn close to a pizza. So, give it a try. Excuse me. Give it a try. Let me know what you think of it. Like I said, we'll try to get out to the Blackstone here in the next few weeks if this Ohio weather will cooperate with us. A lot of rain, a lot of wind, tornado stuff going on. But till then, thank you again for checking out my channel, Cook It Simple with Eric. Thank you. Have a good evening. Bye.